How to customize your Shopify website step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. Now, if you're looking to build your Shopify store, there are quite a few different things that you have to get started with, and that can be a little overwhelming. So if you want to break down your Shopify store building and customization, we're going to follow through some basic and simple steps which can enable you to build your beautiful Shopify store and to customize your store. So let's get into it. Now, I have already created a Shopify account. Currently, I'm on a free trial. A lot of people don't realize is that when you have a free trial, you're not going to be able to set up your checkout until you fulfill the billing information. So you're going to have to provide your billing information to be able to actually check out off of your online store. Now, the next thing that is the most important is to go onto your sales channel, click on online store. And from here, you're going to see your themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. Now, the most important thing whenever you're building your store is the theme. So you guys can see currently we're on the Dawn theme. This is usually the default theme that you're going to get, but it's very important that you go through all of the other options you have. I do recommend that you read up on the type of store that you're starting. So whatever your particular niche is, then you want to choose a theme that is going to be high converting for that particular niche. So for example, the Dawn theme is great for selling apparel and, basic items like that. However, if I want to build something like a menu and I want to sell something related to food, then the Dawn theme is not going to be the best option. So I can go into the theme gallery and explore some other options. Now we're going to be using the Dawn theme because I want to build something like a apparel store or a accessory store. Now, once you have your theme, you can click on customize directly over here. And from here, the Shopify web editor will open up. Now, from here, you will have multiple different sections. And if you click on any section, it will be previewed on the left side. From here on the left side, you can add images as well as colors, manage spacing, and add text. All of your options are present over here. There are some very important things to do whenever you're building your store. First off is that you can go into the theme settings over here, click on logo, and you can select the image as a logo. Then you won't have to basically set up your logo every time you want to insert it somewhere. You will simply insert the logo button and your logo will automatically be added. So if this is my logo, so let's say I want to do this one maybe, I can just click on done over here, and just like that, my logo will be uploaded. Now you guys can see any space which was designated for the logo will automatically have the logo inserted onto it. This is especially helpful when you're building a larger website, so it's very easy to set up your color themes, your logos, your typography, all of that directly in the theme settings instead of having to manually do it on each individual page. Now, to customize any of your pages, you're going to go on ahead and you will see this is your default homepage. You have multiple different pages on the top. You can click on their homepage and move to a new page. Now, let's say I'm on my homepage and I have the featured products, the email, and I want to insert my image banner. To do that, I can just click on the image banner, and then on the left side of my screen, I'm going to have this pop up. So in this pop-up, I can click on select image and I can choose the image that I want to add. So I can go directly into my downloads and I can open up an image from over here, or let's just add this one for now. But you guys can see in this way, you can insert any image like so. Below that, you have your featured products. Now you can derive multiple different product types or variations from here. You don't have to necessarily have a featured products collection. However, usually having your best sellers, hot sellers, or featured products over here is a great way for people to be able to view your product without having anything in mind. They're still going to be attracted towards these products because they are hot sellers. Now, after that, if you want to insert anything further into your home page, you can click on add block on the left side. Once you click on add block, you have two different types. So you have theme blocks where you can just add text, or if you want to insert something else, so for example, below my featured collection, I want to create another section that is going to display something else, like maybe my new arrivals. For that, I can click on add section. Now, after that, you have multiple different section types. You can choose something like another featured collection, featured product, collection list, rich text, image with text, image banners, slideshows, collages, columns, rows, as well as collapsible content. So it really depends on you. Let's say I want to display something like a collection, featured collection once more. And if you click on your collection, you can change the one that you want to display. So instead of being a featured collection, I might want to add new arrivals. So I'm going to add new arrivals over here. The heading size is medium. I can add a description as well. And then you will see the maximum number of products to show. So let's say I want to add more products in the new arrivals, and I wanted to have 5 columns like this. After that, I have my color scheme as well. I can click on change to change the appearance as well, like this. Below that, you have your product card, how the products are going to be displayed within the section. After that, you have your image shape. If I want it to be shaped differently, so if I want it to be moved to the left in the form of a blob or an arc, I can do that as well. After that, you have some basic padding settings where the space between the blocks is displayed. Now, after you have done that, you will be able to see that you have this option in the left side called collection. So below your description, below the description style, you have to actually select the collection you want to display. Because this is going to be my new arrivals collection, I'm going to click on select collection. I'm just going to create my collection directly. But what you want to do is you're going to create your new arrivals. I'm going to create my new arrivals, and then this is a automated collection, and I'm just going to save like this. And now from here, I can just simply display my new arrivals instead of having to, manually add product. I can display those. Currently, I'm just selecting this, going back into my collections, not being displayed. But once you have your collections ready, you can display a particular one in any of your pages. It doesn't have to be your home page. And then once you are satisfied with the edits, you can click on save. You can also preview them in other styles. So we have our desktop style, then we have our mobile style, as well as our full screen style. Now, if I go back into my desktop style, I can click on app embeds on the left side, and you can embed multiple different types of apps. So let's say you have a scheduling application or any other type of application, you can easily insert those applications into your Shopify store. Now, moving on, some other very important things include adding metadata to your Shopify store. It's very essential that you are able to automate a lot of your processes. So if you want to set up on any of these collections, you can go into products. And once you click on products, you can click on collections and build all of your relevant collections that are going to be displayed on your store. I do recommend that instead of having to manually categorize or filter out products to add in pages, you categorize them in collections. So if you have tops, bottoms, t-shirts, and blouses, something like that, or let's say you have you're selling jeans as well as trousers. So instead of having to manually add them to the page of jeans and trousers, you build a collection called jeans and build another one called trousers, and then you can add all of your jeans, all of your trousers to that particular collection. This is going to be a whole lot easier when you're building your online store pages. And it's very essential whenever you're building your own new page. Once you have built your new page, you're going to go into navigation. And once you go into navigation, you will have your menus. In your menus, you're going to go on ahead and you have your title menu and your footer menu. So you have your main menu and footer menu. You're going to click on your main menu, and then you're going to click on add menu item. And then you want to add your new page. So if I build a new page called maybe our Instagram or our aesthetic design, whatever your page might be called, you're going to name it over here. And once you move your browser to the search or paste link, it will automatically show any of the pages you created, and you can insert that page. So in this way, you can get started with building your Shopify store. It's super easy and simple, and customization on Shopify is so vast and broad that you can really create something that feels authentic to your brand identity. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.